Hello friends, I am Ella Link. Today I will be showing you how to deposit INR to WazirX using MobiKwik application. Let's open WazirX application. In right bottom corner you will be having fund section, my dear friends. Click on that fund section, you will be having INR. Click on that INR, you will be getting deposit option. Once you click on that deposit option, you will be having multiple deposit options. Today we will be checking about payment gateway, that is MobiKwik. Clicking on instant deposit, I am entering here 10,000 rupees, my dear friends. Whatever amount you want to deposit, click on that one and you will be getting MobiKwik. Just click on that one, it will be redirected to MobiKwik, my dear friends. For that I have to enter registered mobile number of MobiKwik here. So whoever is not having MobiKwik application, not registered with MobiKwik, please do register with MobiKwik, my dear friends. I have given application link in the description. So once I entered mobile number, it will be asking OTP. So I am waiting for OTP. Once I entered OTP here, then it will be redirected to MobiKwik for payment. Now I am entering 342304 is the OTP. I will just submit it. WazirX will request payment to MobiKwik, my friends. Now you can see that 10,177 is requested by WazirX to MobiKwik. I am just paying it because I am already having 16,000 in my wallet. I have just paid it. Now we will check in WazirX whether I have received 10,000 fund or not, because it will take time, my dear friends, because it is third party application. Sometimes it will be credited instantly or sometimes it will take half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Based on banking transactions, it will be taking time. No need to worry at all. Whoever is new member, please do with 100 rupees or 200 rupees for the first time. Once you confirmed with the process, then you can go with higher amount, my dear friends. So I will be checking now whether I have received funds in WazirX or not. Now it is showing only 3,217 rupees. It is old amount only. Not 10,000 is not credited at all. So again I will show, just go back, see here 6.69 is there, and now I have given 10,000 rupees request. You can see that 4th June 11:27 AM is there. So I have just requested, means I have already paid, but still that fund is not credited in my WazirX account. So let's wait for it, and till the time we will be checking in my MobiKwik application also, because sometime what happens, this third type of application, mobile pay, mobile phone pay or Google Pay or MobiKwik, anything, these are applications, sometimes amount will be deducted and after some time it will be refunded. So I will be checking here. So it is completely paid, no need to worry at all. From my end everything is done. Now waiting from WazirX and MobiKwik team, they will be adding fund to my wallet. Now it is 11:30. We will be waiting for some more time, my dear friends. Once it is done, I will be showing you again. Now you can see, my dear friends, now it is 12 to 10,000 fund is credited in my WazirX account. You can see time also. I have given at 11:27. After 30 minutes, I got 10,000 rupees amount to my WazirX account. So whoever is new member to this video and this WazirX application and you would want to know more about cryptocurrencies, please register using your email ID. I have given my referral link, WazirX referral link in the description. Please sign up and contact me, my friends. Thank you all.